Imagine deleting all your Android photos, messages and videos in 1 second, and then watching a tool recover thousands of files right in front of your eyes. This is Droid Rescue, the ultimate Android data recovery app. Once the app launches, the recovery engine initializing in real time. The scanning registry entries loading the advanced repackaging engine. After loading, we arrive at the main dashboard. Here, the app instantly analyzes the device health and overall device condition is marked as good. Just select the Deep Scan feature. This is the main recovery engine used to search deleted Android data from internal storage. At the File Selection Screen option page, now the app asks, what exactly do you want to recover? You can choose from multiple categories including contacts, SMS messages, photos, videos, audio files, app data, and documents. And once everything is selected, simply tap Start Scan. The deep scan process begins. The progress bar meter shows the live recovery percentage, while the right panel displays recoverable items and overall file health. Below that you can monitor scanned files, found deleted items. The app is actively scanning Android storage directories and searching through deleted fragments. Once deleted files are detected, app displays a preview screen. At the top, categories are separated into videos, photos, and other files for easier navigation. Here recoverable photos appear in organized thumbnails. Deleted messages are also listed below with timestamps and sender information. And finally, with one tap, you can recover all detected items instantly. Before advanced recovery begins, the app performs a device access diagnostic. The root access is not available, but the app still checks important Android functions. This helps determine how deeply the recovery engine can scan the device. And at the bottom, you can run full diagnostics for additional analysis. Next we configure recovery settings. You can choose where recovered files will be saved. Below that, you can also select the output file format. And for image and video recovery quality settings can be adjusted from low, medium, high all the way to original quality. There are also advanced options like preserving folder structure and skipping corrupted files during recovery. Once everything is ready, just tap Start Recovery. And now, this is where the real recovery operation begins. At the very top, the app displays live recovery performance statistics in real time. Data processing speed is currently running at over thousands bytes per second. This means the app is performing a multi-layer forensic recovery process instead of a basic file scan. Moving down to the center, we have the overall data progress bar. This bar updates continuously as the engine searches through deleted storage sectors, fragmented media blocks, and hidden Android cache locations. The percentage indicator gives users a real-time understanding of how much recovery work has been completed. Now, the most important part of this screen is the live log output section, a professional forensic recovery environment. Every line represents a recovery task being executed by the engine. Like, initializing Android recovery modules, scanning internal storage memory sectors, detecting deleted media file fragments, recovering database file system allocations. The engine then analyzes encrypted application containers, searches recoverable messages databases, and verifies Android user partition integrity. It also loads advanced storage recovery drivers, recovers hidden thumbnail cache files, and inspects fragmented DCIM storage directories where deleted photos are commonly found. Next, the recovery engine parses corrupted databases, which are often used by Android system services. And finally, the system searches for deleted documents, archived media, and hidden application data. The Details tab on the right can also provide extended technical recovery information for advanced users. And finally, recovery completed successfully. The app reports exactly how many files were recovered and restored successfully. You can also see the recovery breakdown, photos recovered, videos recovered, documents recovered, and additional miscellaneous files. Here you can instantly open and view all recovered files.